Hello. In this video, I want to look at question 8 for review for exam 4. Pollution from a factory is entering a lake. The rate of concentration of the pollutant at time t is given by p prime of t equals 105 t to the 5/2 power, where t is the number of years since the factory started introducing the pollutants into the lake. Ecologists estimate that the lake can accept a total level of pollution of 17,000 units before all the fish life in the lake ends. Can the factory operate for 6 years without killing fish in the lake? Sorry, without killing all fish in the lake is what I should say. So here is our derivative function. So what that's telling me is that our function itself is the integral of p prime of t. I'll just go ahead and do 105 t to the 5/2 power dt. Now, notice that we need to go ahead and just use this as an indefinite integral. So whenever we do this, this is going to give me 105, well, t to the what power? Well, 5/2 plus 1, add 1, so it gives us 7/2 there. And then take that 105 and multiply by the reciprocal, which is 2/7, plus some constant. So it gives me 210/7 t to the 7/2 power plus c, and that's p of t. But notice that we need to go ahead and find c. And it's not stated anywhere in the question, though, but here's the thing. It says the pollution from a factory is entering a lake, but it's saying that basically at the very beginning, there hasn't been any pollution. So that means that P of 0 has to be 0. And so when you plug in 0, that means that C is all that's left on the right-hand side, and it has to equal 0. So C has to equal 0 here. So the population at any given time t, the amount of pollution there at any given time t has to be 210/7 t to the 7/2 power. Good. But what it's asking is not what is it after 6 years. It is actually asking what is it after 6 years. So what is P of 6 going to be here? It's 210/7 times 6 to the 7/2 power. So let's go top that in. So 210 divided by 7 times 6 to the 7/2 power. 15,872.7 basically. So equals 15,872.7. Wonderful. Now here's the thing. Ecologists estimate that the lake can accept a total pollution of 17,000 units before all the fish life in the lake ends. So after 6 years, will all of them have ended? No, because it's still less than 17,000. So that means that, yes, the factory can operate for 6 years without killing all the fish. And there we go. That is question 8. All right, unless you, sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, and in the next video, I'm gonna look at question 9 for review for exam 4. Have fun.